Hey, fourth grade. Today's objective is I can determine the dimensions of a rectangle when given area or perimeter. So today our focus is going to be on solving for dimensions rather than area and perimeter. For this video, I want you to watch while I solve, and then the next video we'll solve a problem together. Miss Gao is getting a new carpet for her classroom. The carpet needs to have an area of 32 feet. Which of the following is a possible dimension for Miss Gao's new carpet? The first thing we want to do is reread the problem, mark it up, picture it, visualize it, and really understand what's going on. Miss Gao is getting a new carpet for her classroom. So first thing I'm picturing is a room that needs carpet. When we're talking about carpet, we want the whole space covered with carpet. The next thing I know is the carpet needs to have an area of 32 feet. So this problem tells me that the area of the carpet equals 32 feet. Next, my final question is asking me which of the following is a possible dimension for Miss Gao's new carpet. So this problem does not give me my length or my width. Now that I have a visual drawn, I can clearly understand my problem and I'm ready to solve. So first let's take a look at our steps. Step 1 tells me to draw a visual and label all sides. So we drew our visual and we labeled our variables. My second step asks me area or perimeter, write a formula. So in this problem, we are given the area and we know that we are looking for carpet. So this is going to be an area problem. We know that our formula for area is area equals length times width. Step 3 tells me to plug what we know into our equation. The only thing from our equation that we know is our area. We're not given any length or any width. This is going to be one of those types of problems where we have to solve all of our answer choices to find our answer. So first thing we're going to do is split up our workspace. A, B, C, D. The only part to this equation from the problem that we're given is our area. So I can plug in 32 feet equals length times width. So we're going to plug in each of our answer choices into this equation to see which one fits. First up, let's take a look at answer choice A. Answer choice A says 30 plus 2. Our formula for area is length times width. Here we have an addition symbol, so I already know that this one is not correct, and we can eliminate A. Moving on to answer choice B. I know that area equals length times width. Now I plug in my dimensions for B. Area equals 30 times 2. 30 times 2 is 60. So these dimensions, when I plug them into our area formula, do not equal 32. So I can eliminate answer choice B. And we'll move on to C. So again, we're solving for area. Area equals length times width. I plug in my dimensions for answer choice C. Answer choice C, my length is 4, my width is 6. I know that 4 times 6 is 24. When I plug these dimensions, I do not give me 32, so this is also not the correct answer. Eliminate C. Next up, answer choice D. So again, our formula for area is length times width. I plug in the dimensions given to me in answer choice D. My length is 8. My width is 4. I know that 8 times 4 is 32. So these dimensions fit. We were looking for an area of 32. So we can go ahead and circle our final answer. Okay, great job, 4th grade. Next, you're going to go to the next page, pull out paper and pencil, and we'll do the next problem together.